leap, green to red. Now then, nice cold one going down. A cold one tutorial. Hopefully, I haven't checked the tuning, but I think it's okay. But I'm going to do in this video Stereophonics, Graffiti on the Train, 3 chords. Now then, there are some other, obviously, guitar tutorials where they put the capo on the 3rd fret, but I don't play it like that. I know Kelly Jones, he does bar chord and stuff like that, but I just play it from, you know, no capo, what have you. But the 3 chords is A minor, F major 7, and a G. Now you can play a D minor, but I think D minor is a difficult chord for a beginner to learn. Different to a D, still hard on the fingers, but a D minor. But you don't have to include that. You just stick with the A minor, F major 7, and a G, and you can play busking version of Stereophonics. So it starts off strumming pattern. A minor to a F major 7, then it repeats A minor, F major 7, then it goes to a G, then back to the A minor. Now that's how it starts. A minor, F major 7. And then first verse, and then chorus, and then second verse. But I won't go into the actual lyrics because I don't know them. But it's basically A minor, F major 7, A minor, F major 7, then it ends up in a G, and that's it. It's just 3 chords. Then what I just at the beginning, no rolling into the line, and then the second verse it just repeats A minor, then A minor again, then it switches to a F major 7. Start off how you've started off, then with the A minor, F major 7, and then to a G. Like I say, there is a D minor, but it's a bit of a hard song, chord, I should say, to learn for a beginner. It's a bit of, but like I say, you can play the busking version just with them 3 chords: A minor, F major 7, and a G.